Good morning, students. I am Shomajit sir. Today I'll discuss about the topic assertion reason question from chapter tissue. So here I'll be discussing few assertion reason questions from chapter tissue. So watch the entire video lecture to get basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic assertion reason questions from chapter tissue. So let's start. So let's start with the topic assertion reason questions. Okay, from the chapter tissue. So you can see the following question consists of two statements. One is assertion, another is reason. So A for assertion, short form of assertion is A and short form of reason is R. Okay. So you can see following questions are given. Like option A is given both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Next, both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A, and C is A is true and R is false, and D is A is false and R is true. Okay, so these are the four options given. Now question 1, assertion of question 1 is all the plant tissue, okay, all the plant tissue divide throughout their life. All the plant tissue divide throughout their life, and reason is meristematic tissue are localized in certain regions. All right. So you can see this option will be D, that is A is false and R is true, because we know that all plant tissue do not divide throughout their life. Meristematic tissue divide, but the permanent tissue don't divide. Okay, so here A is false and R is true, so the correct option is 1D. Okay, that means A is false and R is true. Next question for assertion is apical meristem are present. That will be present. Okay, P is absent there, typing mistake. So apical meristems are present in tips of stem and roots, and reason is roots and stem grow in length. Okay, so this option will be B. That means both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So that means here assertion is also true, reason is also true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of A. Third is assertion, you see, parenchyma tissue are non-living. Okay, so parenchyma tissue are non-living, and reason is parenchyma cells have intercellular spaces. Okay, so the correct option is 3D. That means A is false and R is true. Okay, so your assertion is false. Parenchyma tissues are non-living because parenchymas are living. Okay, and R is true. Your parenchyma cells have intercellular spaces. Next question 4. Assertion given some columnar epithelial cells change into glandular cells. Okay, what is the assertion? Some columnar epithelial cell change into glandular cell, and reason is columnar epithelial cells are much longer than broader. Okay, so reason is columnar epithelial cells are much longer than broader. So this is 4B answer, that is both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. So here both assertion is also true, reason is also true, but the reason provided is not the correct assertion. Okay, so reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So next question 5 is striated muscles are attached to the bones in different parts. Okay, so striated muscles are attached to the bones in different parts. Reason is they are independent of voluntary control. They are independent of voluntary control. Here option is C. So correct option is C, that is A is true and R is false. So here assertion is true. Okay, but the reason is false. So which one is false? These are independent of voluntary control, because striated muscles have a voluntary control. So moving to next, you see same options are given, like option A, B, C, D. In option A we have both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next option is both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. C is A is true and R is false. D is A is false and R is true. Okay, so assertion in here you can see bone and cartilage are rigid connective tissue, and reason is blood is a fluid connective tissue. So we know already, isn't it, that blood is a fluid connective tissue, as well as bone and cartilage are rigid connective tissue. So here option B is the correct answer. That means both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of A. Okay, so next question is xylem. For assertion is given xylem and phloem are vascular tissue, and reason is vascular tissue conduct water and mineral salt and food material to different plant parts. So this is the correct option will be A. That means both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So here both the options, assertion is also correct, reason is also correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Third question is assertion, that is collenchyma tissue makes the plant flexible and provides tensile strength. Okay, so collenchyma tissue makes the plant flexible and provides tensile strength, and the reason is cell wall of collenchyma cells are irregularly thickened with cellulose and pectin. Okay, so cell wall of collenchyma cells are irregularly thickened with cellulose and pectin. So this is also the correct option is A. Okay, so what is A? Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So you can see the answers given here. So again I repeat, for question 1 the answer is D, for question 2 the answer is B, for question 3 the answer is D, for question 4 the answer is B, for question 5 the answer is C. And the next set of questions, for question 2 the correct for question 2 and question 1. Okay, so in the second part of assertion and reason, the first question's answer is B, the second question is A, and the third question answer is A. Thank you student. This was all about the entire video lecture. Here I've discussed about the topic assertion reason question from the chapter tissue. Hope you have understood the video lecture. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomujit sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.